It's like not an option. Just can you hear me? Dude, it says I'm still ringing you, but like I can hear you. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Cool. Alrighty. What's up? Oh fuck, I didn't mean to FaceTime. Let me switch it back. I'll just call you again. There we go. Cool. Alright, now it works. Yeah? What'd you take? Gotcha. Yeah, let me look at it. Gotcha. I'm mapping everything out now. I'm trying to see if my stream's working. Not yet. I'm still on a higher time frame. There we go. All-time highs are hard to trade. They are hard to trade. Yeah, there's no previous day low I can even mark out right now. Might have to go off this London low. Sure, I'll do that. Those are like relative. Those highs at 195, is that what you're targeting? At 244? 205. Okay, I'm on a 5 right now. That's probably why I can't see it yet. I'm gonna find those equal highs you're talking about. You said 205? Okay. They must be on NQ because I don't see them on NQ. Okay, no. I see some at 214. But those are small. Yeah. Sorry. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute at 214. 214.25. Sorry, one sec. I'm fixing something. Alright, what time frame did you say to look at? Yeah, I'm on MNQ, that's why. That's not... Yeah, I know what you're talking about though. Alright, I don't need this anymore. Tilts along. Dude, I tried to stream on Twitter, but it doesn't work how I want it to. I don't know. I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but on my phone I can easily stream on Twitter. But I don't want to stream like my camera. That'd be weird. Oh well. Did you see that? I don't know. You don't use Twitter much, do you? Yeah. Did you see that one firm like rug pulled everything? So it was the first firm to come out with instant funding. So it was like a little more expensive, but you go straight to funding. Like you don't have You just pay like a little more money, and they give you a funded account. They just like ceased operations yesterday, and they still owed a lot of money to people. Like I think they denied, dude. They denied like $10 million of payouts apparently. Yeah, it's a lot of money. Yeah. Dude, yeah. Yeah, what's up, Elijah? I just saw your message. I wish I could turn off notifications. Almost. I'm still mapping out my higher time frames. There's like no clean draw for the day. What I do see is we're like are in an hourly gap. Once again, like you see it too probably from it's the 4 a.m. candle. If that gets ran, maybe we see all-time high again. Another day. Yeah, like if that gets inversed by the first macro, we could easily run all-time high again. Maybe that's something I watch. I also don't mind taking longs under like 121 if we get down there. Yeah, I would just, bro. Honestly, if you don't need the money right now, I would just leave it in there. Cause I swear, like, I can tell you. Yeah, for sure scale, but honestly, dude, I swear the times where people are selling, that's like the time to basically when people want to do one thing, that's the time to do the opposite. I swear, I didn't think SPY would get over 500, and now look at us, we're approaching 600, and everyone thought that as well. Like I remember on the ski trip with Dak, like in March, he was saying how he thought SPY was gonna get to like 490. I remember thinking like, dude, hell no, like there's no way. And look at us now, we're almost approaching 600. So it's like, and that's what everyone thought as well, but because he was even saying like over 500, which probably won't be sustainable for the first time ever. Like they'll probably like, he was like, we'll probably tickle 500 and then fall back down, and I agreed. But now, dude, we just ripped right through it. 100%. Yeah. Yeah, we'll need a healthy pullback eventually, but I think the only thing that can cause that at this point would be like some like world issue, some world conflict. I don't see. I mean, we seem pretty stable right now. And I didn't. Did you know what they did with FOMC yesterday? Did you know what they decided? I didn't look. Oh, they cut rates by a quarter point. I just noticed that. Are you out? Nice, good trade. Very clean, very clean. I like that. Yeah. I see that. Let me see. I always like looking at SMTs if it's only valid on like a higher time frame. Like I see people. Let me look. What you entered at? Let me see. What time did you said you entered again? You entered. So you entered around like. Let me look. You said the 3 minute, yeah. Okay, I see it now. So if you entered right there. 3 minute. I'm not gonna lie, I don't see an SMT. Wait, are you saying SMT to the highs or the low? hours ahead of you, 2 hours ahead of you. Yeah, just send me a picture because it might be more clear on your end. Yeah. Dude, I totally forgot. I have an advisor meeting to get my classes for next semester. I need to double check what time it's at. It's at 9:30. I have like an hour in here. We'll dip back on after. Yeah, I know. Already. That'd be nice though, because then from there you just wait for a pullback, and you can find a pretty easy entry. I feel like I'm gonna mark that out. Top of that. Oh no, I'm just gonna like just say that 1 hour doesn't inverse any pullback. So for example, a pullback I'd be watching for is that if this gets inversed right now. Look at the 5-minute chart. We would have a big 5-minute gap, correct? So I'd wait for a pullback at that 5-minute gap, and then I'd go into like a smaller time frame and find like a 1-minute inversion to go long. That's what I did yesterday. I waited for the 4 hour to inverse, and then I went and I took a long off that 5-minute. Right, it was a 1 minute long, but it was the delivery was from a 5-minute gap. So that was yesterday. Okay, so look at the 5-minute chart right now, okay? Alright, see how that candle's massive, right? Like that 5-minute candle is massive. More likely than not, that'll form a big 5-minute for value gap, correct? Okay, so if that happens and we get the 1 hour inversion, a pullback inside that 5-minute gap is high probability to go long. So then so like you still wait for a 1 hour close. Like that's like step one. So step one is okay, you get a 1 hour inversion. Step two is you find an entry, and that entry, the high probability entry there would be this 5-minute fair value gap if it forms. But that was kind of a nasty close there. We kind of rejected that 225 right level. But we'll see. Yeah, I tried changing. I noticed that as well when I set mine up. I tried changing it, but you can't change it. It's kind of shitty. Yeah. No, I did that too one time. That's how I noticed, because I didn't realize, because TopStep they do their time frames differently, or they do their sessions different. Their sessions go from, I mean, it's not different. It's just with the lockout, it's different. It's 5 to 5, so their sessions go from 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. So if you lock out, like you could, like say the market ends today, or you did it yesterday. Like you just lock it out after 5. You can't trade until 5 the next day. Like they make you wait out every session, which I wish you could change it to where you could just only lock yourself out for like New York, or you only lock yourself out for, you know what I mean, or like last night you probably just wanted to lock yourself out for Asia. Yeah. Mhm. The other guy just did my ear. It's just my friends. Yeah, you guys probably can't hear him. It's just in here. They're asking why they couldn't hear you, Finn. They're asking why they couldn't hear you. Yeah, I just have you in my AirPods for now. It was 5 earlier. Now it's just 2. But sometimes if people watch it on their phone, I can't see. They don't pop up. Yeah, it might be more. Yeah, full port. Yeah, I like them on higher time frames, like the 1 hour especially. I like them a lot. I also notice it can, if you don't pay attention to them, it can screw you. Like the one trade the other day, I sent it to you. I was 4 points away from TP, and the trade already ran like 90 points, and it was just because ES took out that low and NQ didn't. Yeah. Well, ES is also way more extended than NQ, like for whatever reason. But it's like that on the indices, like just for stocks as well. Like it's like that with SPY and QQQ. Like SPY hit all-time highs before QQQ did, and it's like that on the futures as well. Yeah. I'm opening it now. Oh yeah, it's way cleaner. Okay, I see what you mean now. For some reason, I don't know why. I don't know why I can't see that on mine. Yeah. He's bearish? Did he post it in his Discord or did he post it okay. I can check it right now. You put it in trade recaps? Okay, here it is. Nice. Yeah, it's clean. I like that a lot. I wonder why he's bearish though. Bro, I feel like this first macro is gonna be really volatile because we're close to inversion this 1 hour. They already got ran. Yeah, they already got ran. Yeah, they were at 214, sorry. And then there's also a set, okay, Finn, there's a set of triple, there's a set of like triple equal highs at 244. We should watch that. I just noticed it. 3 touches there. You find it? I didn't even. Yeah, they're very equal. 3 touches. Yeah. 1 minute. You'll see there's like 2, and then if you pull over, there's another. Yeah, so if this 1 hour inverses, we would wait for that pullback into that 5-minute gap, and then we could see if we take along to those equal highs. I think that is a good plan. Oh, I'm in Q there, though. They're perfect. Yeah, look at 244. I have 3 touches. What is equal highs there? Yeah, 1 minute time frame. 2:44. The touches are at 3:14 and 2:05 my time. So I don't know what that'd be for you. What's up? Let's see. Yeah. Why does that look? Okay. Yeah. On NQ, it's way different. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at. But for you, they're not equal. On NQ, they're not equal. But on MQ, they are. On MQ, yeah, they're equal. Look at MQ, but on NQ, they're not. Yeah. Well, it looks like this 1 hour is pulling back anyway, so I don't even know if we get the close. Look at this 5 minute right here. I don't see good. What would that be? Do we take this light size? I don't like how wide that stop is though. That's the problem. Yeah, 40 points. I'd be taking that with like 1 micro. Get my order book up. Yeah, I like this 5 minute, but the risk is wide. I'd probably take it with like 2 micros maybe. Yeah, 5 minute just inversed. I would. Oh no, it's still my phone. Let's see if I get filled here. I'm gonna try this 5 minute. I'm gonna take it with 2 micros. Yeah, let's see if it gets filled. No, I tried. My order's in place, but yeah, no, I love it. I'm just in 2 micros, so I'll take it now. I'm fine. Yeah, I'll take this light sized. Let's just see how this goes. Just a fun trade today. Say again? Yeah, 150, and then I'll 150. Or no, sorry. 156. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even. Say again? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. What's up, dude? Jorky. I might cut. I'm gonna cut that there and just get a better entry right here. I can get a better fill right here. Okay, same trade. It was like a $20 loss, I realized there, which is fine. But now I can keep a tighter risk. And yeah, if that 2 minute gets inversed, like you said, you could, but I'm just gonna leave it at the high. That's what's been working for me. I like that. And we'll move this down here. Now we just wait. Yeah, no kidding. Probably just stop out of this one. I would mark out where that 2 and 0 was just to see what the reaction is there. No close. On Top Step, I just like how on Top Step I can have 5 accounts. On TradingView, I use a Mac, so that might explain it better. When you're on a Mac, you can't use NinjaTrader. And NinjaTrader is the only thing that lets you copy trade amongst more accounts. I've used the Tradevate copier, but I hate it personally. I hated the Tradevate because I had problems scaling. When I would try to set limits, I would just execute instantly. So that's why I stopped using Tradevate. And so I use TradingView. I traded like a 250 Apex account because I could just use bigger size. But I noticed I didn't like trading big size, I like trading small size, and so that's why I switched to Top Step. Top Step I just like better because I can trade 5 accounts literally just like from anywhere because it's a website. So and I just like Top Step's rules as well. So it's like a win-win. I can trade multiple accounts on Google. Like it's just Top Step X is great. I love it. Yeah, like what you see now, you can see here in the top left, this is my leader account, but I'm copying this amongst 4 trades, so. Or above 4 accounts, sorry. Just want to see if they can stick it out to the macro. Yeah, like we're about to get in the macro like in 10 seconds. If we can stick out the macro, it'll probably be chilling. Yeah, I'll probably run it right here. Yeah. I'm leaving my stops to the high. It's at 232. I wonder if I can turn on alerts. Yeah, dude, scaling on Tradevate is impossible. I tried, like I said, I used Tradevate. You can look on this channel, you can see my old trade recaps. Everything was on that Tradevate, and I would copy trade on there. But like you said, scaling is so hard. Like a lot of times it won't even work. Like you'll try to scale and it will add. I don't know. If you've used it, you understand what I'm talking about. It's a pain in the ass to use. So I stopped using Tradevate and just switched to Top Step completely. Nice. Yeah, that's a good call. I want to mark that out too. We already got the reaction I wanted from that 2 minute. Gotta get below 194. It's like 10 more points. You went on a limit long? What time? You're probably winning right now. Right here. That makes sense. If I had to guess, that's what we're talking about. Yeah, I probably stopped out of this one. And that's why, if you guys are like, follow me on Twitter or you're in my Discord, you know that first trade I take always is taken off size. For whatever reason, the first trade I take during the day is always a loser. Not always, but just a rule. First trade's never the best trade. No, I'm holding to that high. Like I said, I took it with 2 micros, so the risk is light here. And I probably only have time for like one. Dude, I don't have time for money trades today, honestly. Like I said, I have that advisor meeting at 9:30. This guy phoned died. There you go. Where'd you get in that? Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this at 232. Just wait and see. Probably get stopped here, honestly. That's okay. Yeah, bro, you can make that back. I know. I keep watching it. I'm flipping between that and the 1. Imagine. If you get that 1-minute break, will you add your position? Yeah. I'm still waiting on that 1 hour, honestly. I gotta mark that out. think that there's news at 9. Yeah. The waiting game. I do my so by trade review, do you mean just like recap my trades, like on a video? Because I recap all my trades on on Twitter, but I don't know if that's I don't know if you mean like a video review of my trades or like a screenshot. But if you want to see like all the trades I've taken this week, they're on my Twitter. I post everything on there. Or something. Sorry. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really matter when you have news in a minute. It doesn't really matter like what the charts are saying. Honestly, I'm just gonna leave my stops in place and just see what happens. I just like how London's low hasn't been ran yet. I think we have to run it before we make a leg up to all-time highs. But we'll see if I can time it right. I don't know if my timing was good here. There it is. And there's news. Let's see, does it crush the stop? Yeah, should go here. And goodness, they're gonna keep me in this trade forever. Oh, I just run the high already, goodness. I'm so waiting for this to run the high so I can cut this. Yeah, it's like 20 points away now. Yeah. Just chilling. Yeah, it's pretty terrible today. Price is not great. feel like my thesis for this was right, but my timing was off. I do think we take out London low, but maybe not now. See if ES did anything interesting. I'm just seeing if ES has done anything interesting. Yeah, not really. Yeah, like you said, yeah, this woman it gets taken. I would love to add to it, but the risk would be too wide for me. Just baby size. Yeah, I just noticed that. The tiny 2-minute. Look at this, guys. We're green. No, just wait. I know the risk was wide there. Anyone else take that? The risk was wide, but just out of curiosity. That's why I went light there. Only 2 contracts. Yeah, I thought I told you that before. Yeah. My dad taught me that trick. I didn't know what it was either, so he said, yeah, you can just automatically go break even. I was like, I used it, I was like, oh, it's so nice. Because there's a few times if you try to like drag your orders, because you know how trading in Q is, like, it's a game of seconds. Like, if you're a second off, you can kind of put yourself in a pickle. But that, like, I'm going to use it. If I hit TP1 here, I'll use that break even button. Nice. I'll hold a runner for that London low. Yeah. Oh, no. The London low is 122. I think. Yeah. Oh, you went break even from this low? Gotcha. I'll do the same. Yeah, because we swept that low. Yeah, I got break even there. Just paid for the fees. Break even trade. Let's see what else. So I have 2 contracts on 5 accounts, so 10 total. The break even button, I'm not in position now, but if you see my screen, whenever you're in a position, the BE button will be like right here. And so, yeah. I was gonna have my break even be down here, but that was just because my initial entry was right there, and then I re-entered up here. So at that point, you're having a new low get put in, and so once that low gets taken and I see a reaction like that, I feel like it's best to go break even to play it safe. So that's what you're seeing there. If it works out, it is what it is, but I'd rather play safe there. Like I said, it's a Friday. No one wants to take a fat loss on a Friday, so. No, I was only up like 20 points. Yeah, dude, PA sucks. Oh shit, you guys can't see the mouse. Sorry. Okay, so look at. Can you guys see my order book right here? You probably can see it now. So you see how it says no active position? Next to whenever you get in a position, there will be a BE button to the right of this no active position. And so you click that and your stop automatically gets set at break even. Hope that helps. Like, I can show you in a second, honestly. Like, we already get the... Here. Just because the setup was still valid right there, I'll do like a... I'll do one contract just to show you. If I can get in. Because I still like the setup. So if we get up here, I'll show you with like one contract what it does. Yeah, I'm pretty confident this is going to run the low fin. Just because of that candle that was put in at like 903. Yeah, inversion was like right there. Usually would rotate to these lows much quicker though. That just shows how bad price is right now. Like, a lot of times when you know PA's bad, just go to the 5-minute chart, look at when New York opened, and just see if you have any, see if you're ranging or chopping. And I don't know if you can tell, but we're chopping right there. So that's how you can identify bad range. Or bad PA, sorry. Where's my initial entry at? I'll take that off. We're too extended now. Finn, can you hear me? Oh, nice. No. I was gonna see if you went break even there too. Nice. Okay. Yeah, you played it better than I did. I feel like I was too light there to take partials. Yeah, because that's how your risk to reward can get skewed too. Because while your thing might look like a 1 to, I don't know, like a 1 to 6, when you're taking partials, it slowly goes from like 1 to 6 to 1 to 3, 1 to so on. I have an order, by the way, at 190. I think if we can get back up there, I think a short would be fine. It's still that 1 minute short from earlier, that death candle we got through there, those two gaps. So I'll try if we get up there, but I'll try a short if we get up there. But it would just be with one contract, but yeah, 100%. It's way easier than Trade of 8. I've used like every broker under the sun, and Top Step is definitely up there when it comes to futures trading. but 100%. How I've been trading? I started futures when I was like, I traded options for a long time. I only been trading futures. I switched to futures like in March, but that was after, like, it only is like, I don't know how long it is, 8 months, whatever. Whatever that math is. But I traded options like way before that, and I traded SPY and QQQ, so it's literally the same thing. And even when I was trading options, I still looked at, like, I didn't trade SPY charts then much. I actually used NQ and stuff. So I've been familiar with NQ and ES for a few years now. But consistently, I'd say since I was like 17, I'm 20 now, so about 3 years. 3 years consistently. I would mess around and trade like crypto when I was in high school and middle school, but it wasn't really serious. Looks like the guy in the Discord took the same short. I can't tell what he took there. I got an advisor meeting in 15 minutes, dude. I don't know if I'll have time to take another position here. Alright, this might be one. I'll take this with one contract, okay? Because I like how this could shape up. I like this death candle through here. I don't know if we see this high. So I would take this with one contract. My risk would be so little there. I'd be risking like $80 if we can get back up there. And I would just leave it fully open. I don't think it'll happen now, but I was going to enter at 190. After that, you can see that death candle we got through those two gaps. After we got the SMT, I really would like an entry at 190. But because I love that inversion there, but I do not think I'll get an entry. No, 100%. That's why I wouldn't take, if we already run the low at 155, I wouldn't take it. I would take the order off. But if we rotate up before we run this low, I would look at taking that short there. But if we're gonna leave this liquidity down here, we have relatively equal lows at like 156. I'd be totally okay with leaving that order in. But once we run that low, I'll take that order off. Yeah, every day. Yeah, dude. I swear it's made a crazy difference. Say again? Like in my physical, I didn't do any like pictures, so I can't tell. But my compound lifts have gone up a lot. Like I benched the first time since I tore my labrum, and it went up like 40 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, so Finn, I'm gonna leave this order at 190. Do I ever enter on a 30 second? Yeah, I enter on 30 seconds, but I only like entering on 30 seconds for like really high risk to reward trades. I actually had a talk with, I can't pronounce it. I'm gonna butcher this. Sespi? I'm sorry if I butchered that, but I talked to him about it as well. Like, I love the 30 second, but we both agreed that we can take a lot of losses on the 30 second. So that's why I think it's best to take 30 seconds for really high risk to reward trades, because your win rate will be much lower on the 30 second, but your risk to reward will be much higher. Like my biggest trade ever on futures, it was like 211 points. It was a 30 second trade. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, this guy just said 30 second is really good whenever you sweep a major high or major low. And I agree with that 100% because a lot of times when you sweep a major high and major low, it can happen so quick, you might be able to find an entry. But that entry, a lot of times you can find on those smaller time frames. But I'm gonna try this short again. But look, you can see the break even button. Here's our order book. You can see it's right next to my P&L. You see it says BE. So you click that and you goes break even eventually. You go break even instantly. Sorry. Alright, I took the position already. That's just one micro. I thought this London low could get taken. I'll look at it though. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't pay attention to yes. But I'll probably have to get off anyway. It's at 1:30. Or sorry, it's at 9:30. So yeah, that's what. Yeah, if this 1 minute gets taken out, I'll just cut it early because I do have to go soon. Get my classes ready. I agree. %. Yeah, I'll leave this position open throughout. But yeah, guys, I want to end the stream in like 5 minutes. Nothing fun today. Like I said, the way I trade's pretty boring. Like, we took a break-even trade, and we'll see how this one turns out. But it's no crazy size, but for me, this has been real sustainable to get payouts, and so it's just divide and conquer. Like, minimize your size to... Basically, you want to go with the biggest account possible, and then cut your size as small as possible. So you can have wider stops, and I think that for me, it's been helpful. I don't know what works for me might not work for you, and so on, but what's been my key to success lately has definitely been go with a bigger account, so like 100K, and just cut your risk as small as possible. Like, for example, you guys saw today, or even right now, I'm trading with the smallest, the least amount of leverage that I'm allowed to on a 100K account. For me, I could take this loss 100 times, and I still couldn't blow my account. And that's what's good about trading light size is it can make the lifetime on these funded accounts you trade last so much longer. Because at the end of the day, while they advertise the 100K account, I only get 3,000 of a maximum loss. I only can lose $3,000. So yeah, we are extended, like you said. No, 100%. I was gonna say it makes the R much better too. It makes stop losses easier too, because whenever you take like an inversion in the middle of a range, and you just like, because obviously if you take an inversion in the middle of a range, you can't leave your stop at a higher low because your risk will probably be too wide, and so what you'll have to do is you'll have to leave just a close above or below the inversion. And a lot of times when I notice when I do that, I take unnecessary losses. Oh, it's so cold in there. For the paper account, it's free. For the paper account? No, it's free. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it's the CME fees you have to pay so you can actually get the live data. That's what you're paying for. but well, you're paying. The reason why they get it for free is that you're basically paying for it with activation fees and combines. So it's like for them, it's like we'll give you a free paper account, but you have to open a combine with us. So like, yeah, it's free. Oh no, they'd have to open it. I see what you're asking. So if you like, okay, they'd have to open a combine. Sorry, I see what you're asking now. You can't just access it. You gotta open a combine first, then you get it. Yes, sir. Accepted. Yeah. Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah. Yeah. My advice readings in 6 minutes. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. I want to do these more often. I like doing these free streams. Anyone that like follows my Twitter and stuff, one of my main rules is like when I have a profitable week, I don't trade Fridays. And so I wasn't gonna do it today, but I'm okay with trading like 1 or 2 micros. Like any loss I take today, it won't affect my weekly P&L drastically. So for me, I'm okay with playing with profits with light size because I hope I can provide value to you guys. Just some steps in way I trade, but you'll see both recaps. You'll see the break even trade I took this morning. I'll post that so you guys to witness that in full time, and then I'll post this trade however that turns out. But I gotta get my classes sorted for next semester, so I'll see you guys next Friday, and then hopefully you guys tune in on Instagram or Twitter.